How to recover your Microsoft account without email. If you've lost access to your Microsoft account and don't have access to the registered email, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Microsoft account without an email address step by step. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and simply go to account.live.com/ACSR. This is Microsoft's official account recovery page. Here, what you need to do is enter your Microsoft account username or the phone number linked to your account. Here, on where should we contact you, you need to enter a new or any email that you have access to. Simply put it over there and just enter the character you see over the screen. Once you've done that, tap on next. Now, Microsoft will send you a code. Simply verify the code that has been sent to you where you have simply entered your email address. Once you've done that, you'll need to simply enter this form and click on next. Just enter your first name, last name, birth date, and country region where you created the account. After that, simply fill the next form. Once you've done that, simply tap on next and Microsoft will review your request and respond within 24 to 48 hours. If your information matches the records, they'll send you a link to reset your password and regain access to your account. And that's it. That's how you can recover your Microsoft account even if you don't have access to your email.